I'm going to show you how you can 4x your website conversion rate by just adding this one AI tool to your website. First, I'm going to show you how it works. Then I'm going to show you how to set this up step by step using the AI tool Expertise AI. And if you stick around to the end of this video, I'll even then show you how you can convert your website into a one-on-one sales agent, which allows your website visitors to actually speak to your website with their voice, and it'll answer and actually schedule calls, set up demos, or even make a sale for you 100% on autopilot. So after adding the Expertise AI code to your website, it'll add this little input field widget here at the bottom of your website where your website users can then ask any question, and then not only does it answer the question, but it uses AI to create a hyper-personalized microsite with the relevant call to actions that the user can interact with, click on, and that's the secret sauce that just boosts up your conversion rates. So let me show you how this works. So I'm going to ask a question like, what courses do you guys offer? I'll purposefully leave that spelling mistake just to show you that like it will still work. All right, and there's either busy answering the question with the different courses, UiPath, ChatGPT, Bubble, but not only did it answer the question, but in the background, it was actually generating this little microsite for us over here. So this doesn't actually exist on my website. This was auto-generated in real time right now after I asked that question. So it says, future-proof your career, discover our courses in emerging technologies and skills like AI automation and app development. And then here are the call to actions. You can either learn more about our courses, and that will take us to the learn more page, right? If I click on that, here there's some extra details, all right? So this is an actual web page that I have where you can learn more, or you can click here to book a demo, and that'll take us to my cull.com link where people can come here and book a time for a demo. And there's some extra details about the courses. If I click on, say, the ChatGPT course, it will then take me to a new AI generated page about the ChatGPT course. You can then get started. It'll probably then take you to the sign up page. All right, there it is. Or you can click learn more, and that'll probably take you to the curriculum of the ChatGPT course. How insane is that, right? Now, let's say I had another question. I can just follow up and say, when does this course start? Now I'm asking a question that is a little bit vague, right? Because I know that this course doesn't have a start date. Let's see how the AI handles this. So there you go. It says the ChatGPT course has no start or end dates. You can begin learning immediately. So because it's a self-paced online course, it was able to interpret that and answer the question. And there's some sources for how it answered the question. There's the FAQs, there's the actual course content, and here's another AI generated web page. If you're seeing this for the first time, you're probably super impressed, just like your website visitors would be, because in my opinion, hyper-personalized website experiences are the future of websites. And basically that's what this tool allows you to do with just a few simple clicks. So just to show you how this AI tool increased my website conversion rates, you can see there's this big spike over here on the graph, and that's basically when I added the code or the AI widgets to my website. So you can see the previous 6 months I was averaging like 20 enrollments a month, whereas after adding the AI agents to my website, it jumped to like 69 in Feb and then 87 enrollments in March, which is an average of about 78. The average here is 20. I did the maths off screen. That's a 390% improvement in conversion rates. And as a result, it 4x'd my sales. So if you're conservative and you only think this tool can double your conversion rates, I'm pretty confident that it will. If you're wondering why there's this dip over here, that's because we're early in the month of April when I'm filming this video. But you can see just within the first 4 days, I've already gotten 23 enrollments. So to set this up, you want to go to expertise.ai. That's expertise with an S, all right? And then you want to click on this try for free button. I've already got an account, so I'm just going to log in. Now I'm just going to show you how quick and easy it is to actually set up your AI agent. All right, so I'm going to go create a brand new one. All right, so first thing you want to do is enter your website URL. So I'll add in mine, futurize.com. and I'll click fetch links. All right, so you can see now it's busy pulling the data, scraping all the different web pages that you have on your website. All right, and you can see here it is. I'll click show more. Here's all the different web links. All right, so that worked perfectly. You can just write your business name. You can see it entered it there for me. And then next you want to enter your primary color or the main color of your website over there. Cool. And I'll then click create. Great. So by the way, you could have also just clicked these little minus buttons to like delete some pages if you want to exclude that from the training of your AI agent so that it doesn't have access to those pages. But in my case, I wanted to have access to everything. Great. So it says it's ready. Cool. That was fun. Some confetti. And it's literally ready to use. So you can see we're here on Try My AI. Let's just click on one of these like quick links like what does Futurize offer? And let's see what it says. Okay, there you go. It's busy working. And there is the AI generated hyper-personalized web page. Great. So I'm just going to close this. Next, you want to go to agent configuration and then click on business goals over here. So of course your business is unique and you probably have a different objective to your website than I do, but you can see Expertise provide you with a whole bunch of objectives, whether it's to schedule a meeting, watch a demo, send them a special offer, direct to a web page, fill out a form, or something else. So let's, in my case, direct to a web page, okay? So we can have a condition if the user shows interest, and you can tweak this, right? Because you're basically telling this to the AI. So you can say if the user is interested in a course or our community, then direct them to, and then over here, I'll send them to our community application form. I'll say direct them to apply at, cool. And I'm just going to add another one, which would be to schedule a meeting. So if the user shows interest, or I'm going to say if the user wants a live demo or wants to speak to Leon or a human, all right, then direct them to book a demo or to book, let me say to book a call at, and then over here, I'll add my carl.com link. You can literally just write in plain English your condition and your action, and the AI will interpret how to handle that, which is amazing. Then over here, you can add some custom questions and answers. So if you know something that's a frequently asked question that you want your AI agent to answer in a specific way, you can just come here and add that. So you can say, if the question is, can I speak to a human, right? We can have the answer, you can say, sure. You can email Leon directly at leon@futurize.com. Okay, and then I'll even escalate with email. That means that's going to send me a notification that somebody asked this question. In this case, it's very relevant because they actually want to speak to me directly. All right, and then you can add as many questions and answers as you want over here. Okay, then you have some advanced settings. You can change the base prompt over here. So like if you really want to make your AI agent specialized for a specific task or use case, you can just give the instructions over here. Then you can change some other things like the AI agent model here. I like to use Claude 3.7 Sonnet. This is the smartest one at the moment. It's also good at coding. So that's why it generates like a nice personalized web page. But the standard GPT-4o is much faster. These models have actually gotten so good that they all actually work very well. But I'm going to stick with Claude 3.7 Sonnet. Cool, business name, agents. I'm going to change that to Eva. Right, you can give your agent name whatever you want. I just don't want to use the same as the default. Okay. Then this is the trading materials. So you can see here all the different web pages that were on my website, and it shows you how many characters are on that page, the status, like if it's trained or not, and when it was trained. So this is actually using RAG in the background. So that's retrieval augmented generation. It's basically a way to store a whole lot of data in a compressed format called a vector database or embeddings. You don't really need to worry about that, but that's it. All right. So when we created this agent, we just entered the website URL, but you can also come here and upload a PDF or a CSV or a document or a text file, any data that you want your AI agent to have access to. You can simply drag and drop it here. You can also upload a sitemap. So if you're curious to get your sitemap, you just add / and then you type sitemap.xml. It'll then show you all the links that have been indexed by Google on your website. Then it even gives you the option to just add some text. All right, so you can just add some custom knowledge to your agent just like that. Okay, and then you can click that to train. To add this to your website, it's as simple as coming to your dashboard, clicking copy on this code, and then pasting it into or just before the closing body tag. So in my case, I'm using Webflow, so I can come to my settings, and then right at the bottom on the footer, you can see this is where I added my other one, but you just basically come paste that in. Then after adding that, this will then be showing on your website. All right. I did also promise you that I was going to show you how to convert this agent into a voice agent that can not only speak to your website visitors, but actually sell them on your product or service. So back in expertise, you want to come here to qualify leads. And here you want to basically add the questions that would qualify your leads to see, are they actually a potential customer? So you can ask whatever you want. I'm just going to ask stuff like, what is your current role or job title? Okay, you can ask what processes or tasks do you want to automate at work? I'll mark those two as enabled. Okay, I'm not going to expect the agent to collect any email addresses or names or anything, so I'll leave that disabled. Okay, I'll click save. Then you want to go to voice AI. Oh, also I forgot over here on qualify leads, you want to make sure you activate that. Cool. Then you want to go to voice AI. You also want to make sure this is enabled. Okay, it should be enabled by default. And over here, you can change the prompt or the personality. So instead of saying supportive assistant, we can say supportive sales assistant on the Futurize website, blah, blah, blah. Okay. Let's also just change her name from Taylor to Eva. We can change the voice over here to whatever you like. I kind of like the default one of Kate. Okay, you can just choose whichever one you think fits your brand the best. Pop up. This is basically, it'll pop up like this as if it's a phone call, like while you're on the website. I'm going to disable that. I'm only going to keep the manual feature where you actually have to activate the voice agent. Okay, and then you can set a max call length. I'll leave it to the default of 5. We can also then come here and set a call goal. So basically, we can either have the goal to complete a contact form or book a meeting, and we can add our call.com link over there. We'll copy this and I'll paste that in over there. There's our call.com link for a 30-minute meeting. Great. I'll click save, and that is it. Okay, so let's go test this out. We can come to try my AI, and oh, by the way, we can also remove this little icon if you don't like it. So if you go to appearance, you can change the avatar display to hidden. All right, you can change some other styling things here, like the conversation starter. I'm going to say, what is Futurize? And then the other thing will be maybe how to join the free community. Okay, and cool. And then you can also come here and change your website colors, but it looked like it did a great job at detecting the color scheme of my website. Great, so let's go back to try my AI. Oh, I forgot to save. Great, try my AI. And now the user just needs to click this little button here, and it'll ask permissions then to allow.
Hi, this is Eva from Futurize. How are you doing today?
I'm great, thanks, and yourself, Eva?
I'm doing well, thanks for asking. So I see you're interested in no-code app development. Have you heard about our Bubble course? It's a really practical, hands-on guide that helps you build and iterate on your app confidently. Would you like to know more about it?
I'm actually more interested in automation.
Oh, got it. Automation is super exciting. At Futurize, we have a great program that teaches you how to automate tasks using no-code AI. It's all about working smarter and saving time, you know? So can I ask, what processes or tasks do you want to automate at work? This will help me suggest the best resources for you.
So I have this process where I need to automate some data capturing on my website, so from Excel to to basically this online portal that I need to do some automation on.
That sounds like a great project. Automating data capturing from Excel to your online portal can really save you a lot of time. I think our robotic process automation course focused on UiPath would be perfect for you. It covers everything from the basics to more advanced projects, including automating data entry tasks like yours. Would you like to know more about how to get started with that course?
I would actually prefer to speak to someone before I buy anything.
Absolutely, I totally understand wanting to chat with someone first. It's always good to get all your questions answered. Would you like me to help you book a demo or a call with one of our experts? They can walk you through everything and help you decide what's best for you.
Yes, please.
Great. I'll help you book a demo with one of our experts. Can you please provide me with your first name, last name, email, and phone number? This way we can set everything up for you.
Great, thank you. And then you can just go ahead and actually book the call over here. So I'm just going to end this. And you can even then send the transcript to yourself as a user so you have reference to that conversation. So how cool was that? Have you ever seen anything like that on any website? This is insane. So not only does Expertise AI create hyper-personalized websites for every single user question, but it even has a voice agent that can act as a salesperson or even just a receptionist to book calls with the sales team. So if you come to the website, you'll see the pricing at the bottom over here. So they have a free plan, a pro plan, and a business plan. I'm currently on the business plan. Now, you might look at $1,000 a month and you might think, whoa, that's too expensive, but think of it more as an investment, right? If I were you, I would do a quick calculation and basically check what your current sales are for your current website. And then if that number were to, let's be conservative, instead of saying 4x, just double it. If your conversion rate was to double, that means your revenue would most likely double. And if your profit on that revenue is more than $1,000 per month, then it's a no-brainer to go ahead and join Expertise AI. All right, if you do want to join, I will include a link in the description. It is an affiliate link if you'd like to support the channel. I would really appreciate it. Other than that, I hope this video was helpful and that it helps you increase your website conversion rates. If you enjoyed this video, please do subscribe to the channel and I'll see you in the next.